Today we're going to be taking a look at the £13,500 winch, the steel rope version. Look at the shipper box. There are two packages for this product. The main box shows an image of the product, along with the SKU. The little box above it is where the cable is, as they are packed separately. The steel cable comes in a reel and is secured together with zip ties to keep it safe. On the top of the bigger box is the instruction manual. This shares the same instruction manual as the other 13,500 winch. It also comes with a steel hook, which is nice and strong to be able to hook onto items. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. The product also comes with a yellow tag to be able to connect to the hook when the vehicle is in motion. A switch for cables is also available with the winch. In addition, it also comes with a battery base designed to cope with lots of controllers and a range of batteries. This product also comes with a massive fair lead roller. Finally, here is the winch base. It is nice and big and also very sturdy to be able to use for commercial vehicles. The specification for the winch is the controls, 1 handlebar and 2 wireless. The duty cycle is intermittent. The gear ratio is 265:1. The gear train is 3-stage plant entry. The line pull is £13,500, as well as 4.5 feet per min. The mounting block pattern is 251mm by 114.3mm. The dimensions to mount the point onto the winch is 26cm by 11.5cm. Here's how you connect the wire onto the actual winch. For a start, you have to take the screw out from inside the drum and connect it through the hole of the end of the wire. You'll need a screwdriver for this. A small one is necessary. Just screw it on tight, and then you can turn on the winch to make it wind up. However, there also is another way if you do not want to connect it to a battery at this moment in time. Turn the fair lead on by turning its handle. You can manually turn the winch. Now we wound the wire onto our winch. Here's a demonstration of the winch actually functioning. The winch comes with high tensile precision engineered gears along with a seamless clutch. Now that you've watched the main video for one of our winches, it's now to the comparisons. We have 4 winches in the RocwooD lineup, one at 3000 lbs, 4500 lbs, 13500 lbs, and another one at that as well. From this picture on the screen, as you can see, I've put them in the size of scale. The smaller ones can be used for smaller pickup trucks, whereas the bigger ones can be used for more commercial uses or for lifting heavier things. All of the winches all operate the same. However, the major difference is the smaller winches come with their own winch plate that can be removed. However, the bigger ones, being so big, just get directly mounted onto the vehicle. If you're interested about learning more about our other winches in depth, we have some videos also uploaded. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.